Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I have huge earrings. Can you guys see that? Have you ever seen me with this kind of huge earrings before? That is so unusual. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear these huge earrings today. Why not? So in this video, we are gonna be talking about my favorite current masks. I thought to myself, if I have been enjoying some certain mask that I have tried over the course of a few months, why not go ahead and sit down and then share it with my subscribers? Let's go ahead and then jump right into it because I have tons of products in front of me that I want to talk about. So I want to talk about the sheet masks first. I want to talk about two different masks today. So the sheet masks. The first one that I do have, as you guys can see, I do have several different types in front of me, and this one is from Tony Moly. I bought this whole package when I went to Oahu in my last training with Clarins, and I went to the special store, Tony Moly store, and I bought so many different products from there, like toners, like their rice water cleansers, like their moisturizers as well. And some of the products that I didn't like, and I ended up returning it to the store, but these ones, oh my goodness. If you do live in the United States or in Korea, actually this is a Korean brand, by the way, these are so good. And I love how the sheet comes in a perfect size as well, where it perfectly covers your whole face. At Macy's, if I'm not mistaken, these retail to $5. But again, the price may be a little bit different, especially if you go on Amazon, the prices are usually cheaper. And I will link the product down below as well, just in case if you're interested. The next one that I do have in front of me is from Dermal. This is the last one that I have left. I bought the whole package. Usually when you go on Amazon, it comes in 15 of them in a set. So you are gonna pay about $16. Usually the price fluctuates on Amazon, so the price may be a little bit different, but this one, oh my goodness, like when I started using sheet masks, like ever, this was the first one that I tried and I loved it. The sheets are very well designed of these sheet masks. If you are on a budget, if you're looking for something that is not gonna cost too much, but you are gonna get huge amount, I think these are a really good option to check out. This is the egg white pore mask from SKINFOOD. I remember I made a video about my favorite masks long time ago, probably like a year ago on this channel, and I mentioned about this egg white mask as well. If you are looking for a mask to minimize your pores, this is a really good option to check out. I love how it just comes with a really good fragrance as well. So I know I'm so crazy, like I'm so crazy when it comes to the fragrance of skincare products. If something is gonna stink or if something is gonna smell bad, oh my goodness, like I have a tendency where I am not gonna reach for that product again. It's kind of weird about me, but yes, this is a really good option to check out as well. I will link it down below for you guys. And let's go ahead and give another shout out to the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. If you are interested about the infamous lip balm from Laneige, which costs $20, oh my goodness, you definitely have to go back and then check my previous video because I talked a little bit more about this product as well. Never underestimate the importance of taking care of your lips, and especially products like this, especially where you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars for your skin but nothing for your lips, where you go out and then buy like $1 or $2 of lip balms. I don't think it's fair. Make sure to take care of your lips. They are part of your skin. It just smells so sweet, if you're a fan of a sweet smell, so this is gonna be your guy. And by the way, this really does the job well when it comes to moisturizing or hydrating your lips. If you do have a chapped or dry lips, that you torture every single day by wearing dry lipsticks, you need one of these. For sure. Now moving on to the next product from Clarins. I have 3 different types. These are the SOS masks from Clarins. You guys know, because of my career with Clarins, I got to try so many products from this brand, and I also made a special video about the SOS Hydra as well. This one is a really good one to hydrate your skin if you do have a dry or oily skin. Doesn't matter what it is, you know, whether it's sensitive or what, because you may be dehydrated. And the next one that I do have is SOS Pure. This is a clay mask that has a alpine willow herb extract, so it is going to get rid of all the impurities from your skin, but at the same time, you know, it just cleanses your skin really well as well. You know, this one is probably the strongest among 3 of them. And the last one that I do have is the SOS Comfort. This is a nourishing balm mask. It has a wild mango butter. When it dries, it gives beautiful kind of halo effect to your skin. Let's go ahead and move on to another mask that I do have from Clinique. This is their City Block Purifying Charcoal Clay Mask and Scrub. This is the first product that I tried from Clinique. Why? It's because I asked from a person who works for Clinique. The girl actually recommended this one for me. When I tried it, I loved it. The product comes with a small micro bits in it where actually it exfoliates your skin and then just, you know, gets rid of all the impurities. Since it is a clay mask, you guys know that clay mask is known to deeply clean your face, and at the same time it firms your skin as well. And I loved it. And the color of the product, the pigmentation of the product is very strong, because you know how some masks can be a little bit streaky, and you really have to apply more to get the whole, you know, coverage to your skin. This one doesn't do it. I really like the product from Clinique. Another mask that I do have in my hands, this is a Dead Sea Mud Mask from Pure Body Naturals. I bought it from Amazon about almost 2 years ago, because if you take a look at the bottom of the product, usually masks last you for 2 years. So the expiration of this product is October 20th, 2018. So we're not there yet, but it's soon gonna expire. However, this mask that I do have, I have not used it on a regular basis because of trying out so many different products. But this one, like as you guys can see, I'm almost out. And me and my husband both enjoyed using this product. The fragrance of the product is really good as well. The consistency of the product is very creamy, but it's still thick. You know, when you apply it, it just applies like a butter, and I love it. This is the 24 karat gold facial mask from Majestic Pure Cosmeceuticals. When I saw this product for the first time online, I noticed that I was so attracted to the consistency of the product. The product is not too thick. It is super light. It is almost like a watery, but at the same time it has a like density to it. I don't use it on a regular basis, but just in times when I feel that my skin is so tired and exhausted and it needs some glow, but at the same time, you know, just something that just, you know, takes away the fatigue of my skin. This is a really good option to give it a try as well. Who doesn't want to have a 24 karat gold mask on the face? Who doesn't? This is the Hydra Essential Eye Mask from Clarins. This is moisturizing and at the same time reviving eye mask. When you do masks, you guys know you have to avoid your eyes. But Clarins was like, why not make masks that actually you can put it on your eyes and then be safe? So this is one of those. I don't use it every day. I do use like every other day, like, you know, skipping my eye cream. I need to give a break sometimes to my eye cream, because sometimes it can be too strong using eye cream every single day. You have to give it a break. I pretty much, you know, layer a very thick layer under my eyes and also on my lids as well, and then just leave it about 10 minutes and then wash it off. And after that, my skin, especially around my eyes, of course, around my eyes feel so hydrated. It feels so supple and very comfortable as well. I don't see that kind of dryness on my eyes, which is really good. Last but not least, I want to talk about Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Special care. I am enjoying using this product on my face before going to bed. I have to mention, I personally don't like the wet feeling whenever I'm about to sleep. This one doesn't give you that feeling. For some reason, your skin literally drinks the product, but you can still feel just a little bit left on your skin, just kind of coats your skin, you know, very gently. And then you go to bed and you don't even feel that I personally don't even feel the difference, like whether I have a sleep mask on or not. And in the morning, actually, when I wake up, my skin is always comfortable. I love it. And by the way, I am gonna make a special video about the Laneige skincare products. I have been trying out their like 4 or 5 different products from Laneige that came in the kit when I purchased the kit. So I will definitely make a special video about it, so watch out for that one. For now, I think that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment below what do you want to see next. I will really appreciate all of your suggestions. And by the way, make sure to subscribe as well if you do like skincare products, or just at all, you know, if you are into skincare. I always mention it in my videos now. This channel is gonna be your channel, because this channel is all about reviewing skincare products, what's good, what's bad, you know, what's new out there. I hope you guys find this channel useful and hopefully, you know, enjoyable as well. All right, guys, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.